Hey guys, we're over at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. We have a 2011 Nissan Maxima. Went ahead and replaced the original OEM screen with an aftermarket Pioneer screen. We added a front parking camera to the vehicle. And hop in and I'm going to show you how we made it work. Alright. So, this is the Nissan Maxima dashboard. The car was equipped with volume and station controls here on the steering wheel. And it had what we call a blank knockout down here below. So we went ahead and replaced that with the USB port. So I can go ahead and plug a phone right in there. Plug my USB in. Drop my phone between the seats, so I'm going to grab that real quick.
But if you want to catch it, it's next Saturday night, CBS, NBC, and ABC. K-Joy 8.3.
Alright, so we got COVID days going on over here, so I'm wearing my face mask. Go ahead and plug my phone in. Unlock it. Alrighty. So now, I go ahead and hit the home button. While my phone is plugged in, you're going to notice that CarPlay will eventually show up on the screen. Baby. There it is, Apple CarPlay. And there it goes. So now I have my music and my media on here. We do have buttons on the unit itself. Plus I have the volume and station controls working on the steering wheel. So I can do track up, track down. But then we also integrated factory gauges. So I have boost, load, fuel right on that screen. Now the original screen that was here did show the climate information. And that was pretty important. It also showed the original reverse camera. So reverse camera, we retained working right there. The climate information, if you look down at the glove box, you can go ahead and see that I have that information here. And it's within view of the driver. So it's a nice way to keep that information, but still get a touchscreen up top. And then this particular stereo had the ability to add a front camera, and the customer asked us to do that as well. So we have a front camera view. So we have Bluetooth hands-free calling, Bluetooth wireless music, Apple CarPlay, and a reverse camera. Hey Siri, take me to Avenue Sound in Freeport.
Just a moment. Getting directions to Avenue Sound.
And that's how it works. Come down to Avenue Sound, Long Island, New York, or visit us on the web at www.avenuesound.com, Facebook, YouTube, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you.